Arai ayala mikini ne polonoi. Kame jasi polisi ni tomu nauni. Kotomno district loko kabere maidom. Utada aita na pekini kes ichepe ko tupelekeda adoketa itina itetet na adumu tu kesi. Ipolisin ni tomu nauni lu. Kesi mora adiopet. Nesda pon ke unadoketa itike. Anyoun kotomono. Adoketa itina ko kwapna ka police constable. Kosoda araut ekopolo. Kusodi luche ikanyare kesda ekeo nado ketait kech anyon kotom nado ketait na kakopolo tonu kwa nada arauti sergeant luche iwuni kesda poni ekeo nado ketait kech anyon kotom na arauti sergeant kusodi kwa na arauti assistant inspector of police AIP kusodi polisi ni yare kasda keon akeche doketait anyun kotom na route assistant inspector of police AIP tonu kana route inspector of police IP arbo itwete nengapi acherindare le raide DPC loko kabire maido David Otabong ngesabu kolimda ebe ajaut ke diponesolwa jokak akukuranut kedanyunda ebe tupion mibusa kinting initwet aswam kesiboro le inaitosi polisi niche eperute adumun adoketait keja ikeuno.
First and foremost, discipline plays a key role in our assessment. Then the attitude towards work. Then we had commitment, number of trainings one has undergone. Then those who have overstayed in the rank were also it also formed part of the criteria used in our assessment.
Nadarai OC na koka Bremedo Central Police Station Rita Nantaba ngesta bukilipi polisin kanuka nyunda ebe iswameta gogong kusora yatain akecha jen itoliste akecheda swamsine.
Teamwork because no man is an island, but if we go out to handle our cases, if you're called upon at any time, any hour, please come up. But a police officer just rests. We don't sleep. We work 24/7. So if you're called upon in any other station, any other post, please, let's work together. So as these promotions also come, we should also look at going back to school, increasing professionalism on our paper. If you have the chance to go and acquire a certain certificate, to do a diploma, a degree, a master's, please go out there and handle those books as you have handled the police work.
LC5 local district local kabirmaido Victor Exeke sungesa buko limda ebe araibo rena joka no kanyunda ebe eperi polisin adumun adoketaiti na ikeona etulesta swamsina ike.
I want to congratulate all of you and thank you for the service to this country. Disciplined forces, I always tell people, they are the most noble citizens in any country. The people who put on uniform. You put on uniform on our behalf. It is you who put your lives online. That we may live safely. And as a leader, I recognize this.
Paj kotomono lapala geun la tubor apoga nesda buko chamon ai keun adoket na kai polisen lagi digita kotomono kwapno ko Uganda ila nepeta nukada tunapikin ijepe kesle meutas alost akonye kotomna boshino gita tonlola na ajaut kotomda o district loko kabirmaido Michael Onyinge TV East ko kabirmaido district.